Junisopoli sang ni somni paruk ani kumin FIFA World Cup 2026 football a bola an mantura hi a special khawp mai ani mitam takin hei video an siam to what's inside hei achan chu kumina World Cup a ball an mantur a chunga hianin sensor an da don ani he thil hianin game hi nasa takin a thazong le a thalo zong te poniang a ngong theidona BBC page on in the AI artificial intelligence inside the World Cup 2026 ball anti top main video title hian he a ball chungchang hi kan ron ri kanga kan ron soizau do na chumi ma chon hei kan en ho lokang
Mizo chalai te ta na thulom ZNM Institute of Laboratory Technology chuan lab technician zirna changtung le rin kak tak khol changkang le chatak tak classroom thiang him le fill file box si zirtir tu thiam le rin kak tak tak te kai shwai na hnuaya admission kan hung le ta government approved institution kan ni awangin zirlai no pangten kumtin scholarship unlock baka zirzom du tan an zirzom na tur kan ngai rin pui boke theory le practical class uluk tak zirtir ania curricular activities ni pui chin ani bok si ta tamlo awangin admission ron ti ve thwai ro le ahmun Mizoram Entopol Building, Kangluam, Aizol, contact number 9856-925-292, 8256-959-563.
Admission ni lo han ti fe theu don yo le lo zon in kan reaction ang the artificial intelligence inside the World Cup 2026 ball. Let's go.
The FIFA World Cup, football's ultimate prize. A football tournament that has been defined by generations since 1930.
Kumsang khat zakwa somthum chawa chang to hanin World Cup pin lo khel chho chan to a enge in ram chan comment section han ron comment ve te okay chu aram chan bi ki ka nei chong lo a player hi ami mal ang zo hen chan deu ka nei a chu chu tunge kan ti chuanin su Cristiano Ronaldo ami mal ang zo ka chan deu ka nei a aram ang zo han chan po ka nei chong lo chan nei lo hianin enjoy all zok tournament jamo chan big ne a te lo chan an chak le lo si te khanin nuam lo chu wan chon khateng ha ka pei chi lo wa.
But putting the ball in the back of the net isn't just about skill and ability. There's now technology monitoring every kick of the game.
Ball an pet apiang low monitor tur technology kha tun ma chon in om ngai lo tu na hen aron om chho ha fa boi thak aron om chho chan to kan soi chiang fak tong aron om chho chan to khating ani awang khan hemi football thar an man tur a phei hi chu league domestic league satlia me khan an mang velowa ni tuna World Cup aten mang dona a technology hi asanga a chan chu aman po atawani ball chunga da turani awang khanin engamani a technology kha chiang lo hlek a ompal kha chuanin data diklote ball an pe ta piang lo monitor tur an lo toklekem ti te po kha offside tem ti te on goal an yem no I goal line kha apel manem ti kha nga khang zong te po kha lo monitor theido ni he technology hi chon kan soizela
and we're better to see behind the scenes than FIFA's global headquarters in Zurich.
Zurich FIFA global headquarters and research be na turu rem khop mai bol te hi chu an siam satli ave mai mokati amai ro chu bola po hianin research an lo be shepa zirchian na zirbing na ang chi han lo nei pui shepa ni common lo khop mai.
The man in charge of FIFA's research team is Nicholas Evans. He's been paying close attention to the one thing every match needs: the football. Meet the Trionda.
Trionda ni football ming hi khami kha GG ke te po ni ve mai Trionda
ball.
So this looks like a simple, normal football, but what's different?
So it is a normal football, but this one has a sensor inside.
Trionda ball hi chuanin kitiang hian a sensor kha chunga omvek dona ni nakina te po Trionda kitiang ball hi India rama te po leitur lo om mai thei amaro chu a original lo chu hriat shan to don em mai ni a original chu a chunga ting hian hon thei ni a chunga sensor om don original lo chu hon han tu po khana hon thei don lo ni khiting hian mo bol panga yang chu ni tho ma se a chunga khian sensor om big technology puilu tu om ani
which is placed opposite the valve, and in the simplest of terms it can tell us what the ball is doing in a 3D space.
Ball khan enge ti kha khami sensor khanin data kha lo monitor char
At a match, there will be between 15 and 20 of these smart balls ready and charged, with each one
charge te ngai ni chu common to lo le be anin khel tan main an ball po charge lo ka ngai to mo turu to rem hle mai in khela piang in ball som panga vel khi ti han man mai thei tur om zia don ani
lasting 6 hours if being used in play.
You can even see the
voi khat uncharge on dar ka ruk vel man thei don ani om je chu uncharge khan uncharge por ti na ni lawa maro chu achunga AI sensor om te kha kha battery mang ani ka ring kha charge anga ani
faintest of touches here.
Ki na lo te a han ben khan he tiang hianin hei aron pong et mai ani mo
Obviously, if you bounce the ball, you'll see much bigger.
na dewa kha tianga an thlo pop kha chon tiang hianin hei aron om le ta ni he thili enge tangkai na kan soi je
Touch. This just gives you an idea of the sensitivity of the ball. Often at times the images won't be clear enough or will be very difficult to determine whether a player's touched the balls. This is very clear.
While most
chan chuanin hei var te pok an hmang thin ta te pon la chiang lo thei fo ni chu wan chuan hei entinan tu da technology hmang kha chuanin offside ate pokanin thutluk na kha an siam jung thei don a referee te khan a chan chu engtika chiange player khanin ball kha alo to a chan chu offside te hi apoi mo a game decide tu te hi ni thina mo e chu wan chuanin tianga te pokanin referee te kha thutluk na siam pui tur khanin var lo chu apo khanin an tang khai don MMA ni ti chuan adol le chuanin handball detection entinan e kami ball khan pet pop ta chuanin kut khan lo tok pal seu kha ball a han sensor kha tiang kha aron om kha chuanin handball handball lo player khan ta tok reng hleinem ti te po kha khang zong te po kha a she thebek don hei the sensor can identify slight touches na lo te hetia ball han to zeu te po kha a sensor khan lo detect vek thei don na camera alang chiang thei box si lo khang si te po kha he technology hianin alo ti thei dona chuan goal line net touch detection heng teng te poi mo khop mai ball in han pet goal dona line cross low a goal low ti vela in nial boy na te kha ati tle manga tin referee na thutluk na dik taka siam theilo ni chuan hemi technology mang hianin decision fair tak te po kha an siam theianga tin player tele referee in kara tele player in kara te po khanin hanin nial buai na te tin fence te pona lungoi lo na referee te hi an thamani tiang vel zonga an soi theina tur zong te po kha heng hi chuanin a thai bo vek turangai ani chuwang chuanin in khel munom tak game munom tak kha an nei thei pha do ni na
technology being introduced for this summer's tournament is aimed at improving the accuracy of the game. There is one addition that offers fans the chance to see decision making from another perspective.
Referee te thluk na te kami camera te mga referee te thluk na an siam baka football chunga sensor anda mangkhen referee te pokhen in thluk na khan siam thei dona chu fans te tan po thil thar a sial la mai Trionda ball chumo
The ref cam.
Lightweight.
ref cam po om don
It's easy to manage. From the referee's point of view, what's
hey heta vo himo head of research a sial la mai ref cam
involved?
So as you can see, it's basically just mounted on a relatively simple
Camera ni hi.
construction or can be attached to the earpiece. It's often hard as an outside.
khi tiang hianin referee na amu ang kha mi pui te po khanin kan lo mu ve thei to do ni hi FIFA World Cup apon manga a sial le rem la mai technology chun mang tang kai ni sa to khop mai football apo
To judge what's happened, and this might just help. Technology is now allowing us to
penalty
really
to.
immerse ourselves into the game, which just wasn't possible technically many years ago.
kum tam tak kal ta thil thei lo kha tuna chonin khovel thiam nei na ken tel zela wang hanin aron thei don ta ani e poni se asial ber chu football charge ngai khel ma charge ngai ti te kha a bola kha chu por ve don shim shim maro chu achunga sensor AI mang te kha charge ngai don na kha khanin handball em ball lowem offside don lowem ti te po heng kim kha lo detect ve thei don ni asial khop mai Trionda ball ale kha ani tun chuma FIFA World Cup football la technology an man for a ball big technology an man a hriat zawnan anon riek ani video la kan hmule theu don ne